Hello friends, welcome to BSc Studies. I am Bala. Today we will explain about Newton's third law. Newton's third law. So, if I take two objects, this is A and this is B. Okay, so it exerts some force on B. So I am taking FAB. A acts on B, so this is FAB, and this is F minus BA because it gives equal and opposite in direction. So this is minus FBA, which means here FAB means force acting on B, and minus FBA means force acting on A. Okay, so this is very important, these two. Okay. So if you see here, these are two pairs which are action and reaction. Action means first one object will give some force on another object, that is called action, and some force that is from B to A means that is reaction. But it is wrong because action and reaction are both are a pair we are usually taking to understand. So that is not action and reaction. First this is, next this is. Okay, so these are the only a pair for we understanding. Okay, so these are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Okay, so these are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Okay, so see here, this is one of the direction and this is one of the direction. Okay, and another, these have same nature, and these will occur simultaneously, one after another. If this is one first and this is second, if this is first and this is second, alternately, there is no lag between, there is no lag or delay between them. Okay, so this is Newton's third law. Very important, it has same nature. Same nature means same force. Okay, so this is Newton's third law, and we will do some problems. Okay, and if you see some examples, here first example, and I am taking this is a ground. Okay, so a ball is coming with V1 speed towards ground, and it hits and rebounces with V2 speed. Okay, so here I am taking downwards as positive, upwards as negative for my convenience. Okay, so if you see, what is the V initial? What is V initial means? This is V initial position, which means it is in minus j cap. So if it is minus j cap means V1 minus V1 j cap. Okay, so if you see V final, this is in upward, which means V positive V j cap. Okay, so here we have to find the delta V. Here delta V is nothing but V final minus V initial, which means V2 j cap minus V1 j cap. See here V2 j cap plus here minus or minus plus. So V2 j cap plus V1 j cap, which is nothing but V2 plus V1 whole j cap. If they ask magnitude, V2 plus V1 only. Okay, so this is the change in velocity from this case. Okay, so if you see in this case, so here I am taking the vectorial form and the trigonometric sign conventions. So here this is mass m, so I am writing, so this is mass of m, so I am writing like this. So see here, if this is theta means this is also theta according to transversal. So this is theta and this is theta means according to transversal this is also a theta. So this is also a theta. Here if we see, here the line which is adjacent to touching the angle theta means cos theta. So this is V cos theta. Here velocity is V. So this the angle which is not touching means V sin theta. Okay. So if you see here the angle touching V cos theta, angle not touching V sin theta. Okay. So here I am taking first V initial. V initial is this minus this, which is nothing but here this is in minus I cap direction. So V cos theta minus I cap plus here minus we have to subtract this one which is in minus j cap. So here I am rubbing this part. So V sin theta minus j cap. Okay. So see here, which is, if we solve this, minus V cos theta I cap minus V plus V sin theta j cap. Okay, so this is the V initial, and if we find V final is this one. So this is V sin theta, and subtract this from this. This is nothing but V cos theta positive I cap because it's in positive x-axis. So this is in negative y-axis. So this is V sin theta j cap minus. Here this is minus, so it becomes plus. Okay. So this is the final, and if we subtract V final minus V initial, because they are asking change in velocity. So if we subtract, so I am rubbing this part. So V cos theta I cap plus V sin theta j cap minus here minus of minus plus. So plus V cos theta I cap minus V sin theta j cap. Okay, so this V sin theta j cap gets cancelled. So the remaining is V cos theta I cap. So this is the answer. V cos theta I cap is the change in velocity. If we find the magnitude, V cos theta is the final velocity. Change in velocity. Okay, so these are the first two examples. If you see third example, here they gave one of the ball and it is going with the speed of V and rebounds with the speed V. So here I am taking like this position as positive and like this negative. Okay, so here they are asking to find delta P bar. Delta P bar means here first of all I am finding delta V bar. Then we can find easily. So delta V bar is equals to V final minus V initial. Okay. So if you see V final is V negative. V negative means this is in positive I cap, which means V I cap, minus Vi cap, and minus of, it is in positive direction, so Vi cap. Okay, so which is nothing but minus 2Vi cap. So this is the change in velocity. So if you see, here I am taking the ball mass as m. So here the delta P bar means mass into delta V bar, which is nothing but mass into delta V bar, which is nothing but minus 2Vi cap, which is nothing but minus 2mvi cap. Okay, so that is the change in momentum. Okay, so if you see the impulse of the ball means plus 2mvi cap, which is nothing but positive of this. Here the impulse of ball means negative of this, 2mvi cap, minus 2mvi cap. Okay, so like this we can do easily. If we find this, we can do J bar of the ball means positive and the ball means negative. Okay, so this is the third example, and the today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.